Now, let me give you another example of what this might look like. We'll use the kid I was talking about before. He went wild and ruined dinner, supposedly, for everybody when they were trying to eat outside. Okay? So what would this process look like? Hey, you know what? We noticed the other night when we wanted to eat outside that you weren't exactly wild about that. We feel badly about that, and I guess we wanted to just understand what was going on with that. I hate eating outside. Okay? Which tool might you use now? Like? A question for what?
What is it you don't like?
What is it you don't like? Everything. What tool might you use?
Educated guessing.
You might go right to a guess, like?
Well, you would know the kid, so you'd say, well, like all the bugs.
Like all the bugs, although I would say that you just went pretty horse and dog and pig there, right? Pretty specific.
Okay.
It's okay, you might hit the jackpot, right? If you know the kid well enough, you could. But you might start more categorical. Like,
is it something about being outside?
Is it something about about being outside? Like, is it something about the weather, for instance? And what might you ask about that? Is it too hot? Is it too cold? Is it too bright? Right? So these are educated guesses. Now, on the other hand, what if I came out and told you? I said, I just hate the whole thing because it's uncomfortable. I don't like it. I just don't like how it feels. Well, then you could do some reflecting. So you don't like how it feels. So you're not opposed to being outside, but you don't like how it feels to be eating outside. Is that the deal? And all you're doing is drilling down, asking questions. Okay? And if he gets upset, what are you going to say? Hey, we're not going to force you to eat outside. If we find there's some way that this could work out well for all of us, maybe we'll eat outside, but we don't know yet. And let's say, lo and behold, what do you figure out? Maybe it is bugs and bright lights. And why would you, I'm thinking of the kid I'm thinking about would say it this way. Why would you eat outside? It's so disgusting. There's like bird poop places, and there's like bugs, and it's hot. And why do you want to do it? It's just gross. I'm uncomfortable. I don't like to eat my food outside. Now, by the way, is that a reasonable set of concerns? Uh-huh. Was it a good idea to go wild and flip over chairs and all kinds of things like that? No. Maladaptive solution, good concerns.